Hi guys, welcome once again to OA Styles. Today guys, I'll be teaching you how to make braids, how to make the invisible braid and the visible braid. The first one is the visible braid. Visible braid, it means that the person's hair and the extension will be showing. That's the meaning of the visible braid. While the invisible braid, the only thing you can see is the extension. The hair will be hidden under the extension. So guys, please watch the full video for the invisible braid. Please, if you're here for the first time, please make sure you click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification for more amazing styles. And also make sure you smash the like button, comment down the kind of hairstyles you want on this channel, and it will be done. Please also make sure you subscribe to my other YouTube channel named Nefe Tips. You can search then for the invisible braids, you can use your edge control, something that will weaken the hair. Then you can start. For the invisible braids, you need to cut the hair into 3 parts, like you split it into 3 parts before you can start. You take your extension, then you start. Always remember that when making this invisible braids, make sure the hair is under the extension. That is how you can achieve the good result. Make sure the hair is under the extension. Look at how I'm doing it. That is how you are going to do it. Make sure when braiding it, just be sure that the hair, which is the natural hair, is under the extension. You see that if you can have patience and do it, you're able to achieve a good result. Just continue hiding it under the extension. That is all. That is the work of this invisible braid, nothing else. So you can see the difference. Hope you can see the difference. The first one was mixed with hair. You can easily see where the person hair is, how long the person hair is, but this particular one, there is no trace of the person's hair. So guys, this is the finished look. You guys can try it out. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you all.